In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is Bitbucket and how to use it. Bitbucket is a web-based platform where teams store, manage, and collaborate on code using Git. It brings your workflow together with pull requests for code review, access control to manage who can do what, and built-in CI/CD through Bitbucket pipelines to automate building, testing, and deployment. Whether you're working solo or with a team, it helps you move from planning to production in a structured, traceable way. To get started, go to bitbucket.org and sign in with your Atlassian account. On the sign-in screen, select the Google option, then choose your Google account to continue. This links your identity and saves you time, especially if your team uses Google Workspace. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and open repositories. This is your hub for all code projects in your workspace. From here, you can create a new repository if you're starting fresh, or open an existing one to continue working. Creating a repo gives you a central place for your code, issues, and collaboration history, all backed by Git's version control. Open one of your repositories to see its contents. In the repository view, use the three-dot menu to reveal more actions. One handy option is Add File, which lets you create or upload a file directly in the browser. When you add a file, include a clear commit message so teammates understand what changed and why. Small, descriptive commits make history easy to review. Next, explore commits. Think of commits as snapshots of your project over time. Each commit records exactly what changed, who changed it, and when. This makes it simple to track progress, compare versions, or revert if something breaks. Now check out branches. Branches let you work on features or fixes without touching your main branch. You can view existing branches or create a new one for your task. When your work is ready, you'll merge it back into main after review. Head to pull request to open or review PRs. A pull request is where collaboration happens. Teammates discuss changes, leave comments, request updates, and approve merges. You can also add reviewers and require approvals to maintain quality standards. Finally, open repository settings. Here you configure details like repository permissions, default branch, and integrations such as pipelines for CI/CD. You can also delete the repo from this area, so proceed carefully and only when you're certain it's no longer needed. And that's the tour, Bitbucket Basics from sign-in to settings, with the key tools you'll use every day.